Hello all. For 20 years, you've trusted me to guide you through cybersecurity. I told you to learn cloud skills to marry that to your cyber skills, and I was right about that. But now it's AI. Join us in our 5-day intensive AI for Cybersecurity Boot Camp, architected by me. You'll get into fine-tuning models, agentic AI, generative AI, and all the other things from a hands-on perspective, and how you implement and use those things to make you more effective at cybersecurity roles. Now, I know some of you are worried about, is AI going to replace my cybersecurity job? Don't worry about that. Jump in this boot camp. Let us get you at the root of AI. Let us get you close to the technology, get your hands on it, so that you can end up being one of the people that kind of help us chart the future as far as how AI is going to continue to change cybersecurity and how we're going to use it going forward. Hopefully, I look forward to seeing you in our next version of this AI for Cybersecurity Bootcamp that's coming up soon.